Warren Buffett tells retail investors to indulge in passive investing rather than the active investment. We have also heard of SEBI trying to promote passive investing via ETFs. But do you know what is the difference between active and passive investing? Let's understand both today. Passive investing and active investing are two sides of the same coin. Active investing needs regular checks of your portfolio allocation, research, macroeconomic analysis, and understanding of financial models, among other things. All this can seem too complex to regular people who are not finance experts. On the other hand, passive investing is a strategy centered around buying and holding assets for the long term, like 5 to 10 years. That is more hands-off approach. Still confused about which investing strategy should you choose? Well, if you are someone who has deep knowledge when it comes to financing and macroeconomics and loves analyzing businesses and tracking them down, then active investing is best for you. But if you are a common retail investor who wants to grow their money safely and steadily, then passive investing is perhaps a better option. Given that over the long term, passive investing generally offers higher returns with lower cost. You might be curious how you can start off with passive investing and earn decent returns. So here are 5 alternative options for you: corporate bonds, leasing, inventory, startup equity, and commercial property. You can visit gripinvest.in if you want to explore these options. The debate over active versus passive investing has been heated over many years, and there is no right answer. So, do your own research before picking up an investment approach. What kind of investor are you? Let us know in the comments below by typing active or passive.